Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to study a little bit more about switch control structure. So let's take another example for better understanding of switch statement. Let's suppose we are asked to write a program that inputs a character from the user and display that whether the character entered by the user is vowel or not. So let's get started. First we have to declare character variables. Name character variable any, we can name it, any name can be given. Character alphabet. Cout enter the array character, enter the character. End of line. C in alphabet. We have to take input in this alphabet variable that we have declared. Now we have to compare this alphabet using switch statement. Switch and in parentheses this is our alphabet that we have to compare. Now starting and ending braces of curly braces of switch statement. Case 1, case not 1, as we know that A, E, I, O, U are vowel and all other alphabets are known as consonant. So we have to check whether the character entered by the user is vowel or not. So we can compare with A, E, I, O, U to check whether it is a vowel or not. So case 1, A. Because it is character, we have to place single quotes around it. Case we have to compare with both uppercase and lowercase letter because uppercase A and lowercase both are vowel. So we have to compare with both of these. If it matches with any uppercase or lowercase A, then we will display that it is a vowel. So cout say you entered a vowel. End of line and break. Now case A, E. Now we have to compare with E. Colon you have to memorize the syntax: case, then any constant, and then colon. This is the syntax of switch statement. You have to memorize it. Similarly, capital E, colon, and then cout, you entered a vowel, and break still. Similarly, I is also a vowel. We have to also compare with it. Capital I, uppercase I, and cout, it is also a vowel. You entered a vowel. End of line and break. Similarly, A, E, I, O. We have to compare with O also. So, O and case, uppercase O. Colon, cout, you entered a vowel. End of line. Because it is a character, so we have to place single quotes around it. Otherwise, compiler will show us syntax error. Break. U is also a vowel. So case U, colon, case, uppercase U, colon, cout, U, again U, entered a vowel. End of line. So A, E, I, O, U are vowel. Now our default case, if user does not enter a vowel, then what we have to show, cout, you entered a consonant. So what is consonant? All the alphabet other than A, E, I, O, U are known as consonant. A, E, I, O, U is known as vowel. So if any of our character does not match with any of these vowel characters, then we are saying in default you have entered consonant. Consonant. So let's save this program, Ctrl plus S, and execute this program. Let's suppose I entered I. So you entered a vowel. Why? Because I is a vowel. So let's execute this program, or this program executes this program line by line. So we have entered I from the keyboard in, and I will be stored in this alphabet, and their alphabet contains I. Does I matches with a smaller a? No, neither it matches with uppercase A. So the control will jump to next case. I matches with E? No. Uppercase E? No. So control will jump to next case. So I matches with lowercase I? Yes, we have entered lowercase I. So the control will execute this statement, you entered a vowel. So you entered a vowel, and next break will take the control out of the switch statement. Here we have our switch statement is ending, and control will shift here, and nothing more, our programs ends here. Similarly, if let's execute it once again. If I entered uppercase A, let's see, you entered a vowel. Why? Because now alphabets contain capital A. So this uppercase A matches with this case. So this statement will be executed. So you see how you entered a vowel. So this will be displayed on the console window. You entered a vowel. Let's execute it once again. And now if I entered B, you entered consonant. Why? See, now we have entered B from the keyboard. Now this alphabet contains B. B. So B is not match with any of these cases. So by default case will be executed. You have entered a consonant. So here you have entered a consonant is displayed because it does not match with any of these cases. So default statement will be executed. You have entered a consonant. So guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.